Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about a beautiful and peaceful message. Put God first. In a world full of noise, pressure, and endless competition, many people spend their lives chasing success, money, approval, and control. They believe that if they achieve more, they will finally feel peace. But real peace does not begin with success. It begins when God becomes the first priority of your heart. This is not about being perfect. It is about choosing to walk with God every day. Lesson 1. Begin every day with God. The way you start your morning often shapes the rest of your day. Many people wake up and immediately check their phone. They read messages, think about problems, and worry about everything waiting for them. But imagine starting differently. Before looking at the world, close your eyes for 1 minute and say, God, thank you for another day. Please guide my thoughts, my words, and my steps. That simple habit can fill your heart with calmness. A day that begins with prayer feels different because you are not carrying life alone. Lesson 2. Trust God's timing. Every person has dreams. We want things to happen quickly. We want the right job, the right opportunity, the right relationship, and the right future. But God's clock is different from ours. Sometimes the answer is yes, sometimes it is wait, and sometimes it is no because something better is coming. A delay is not always a denial. It can be God preparing you for a greater blessing. When life does not go according to your plan, do not lose hope. Trust that God can see what you cannot see. Lesson 3. Faith is stronger than fear. Fear speaks loudly. It says, what if you fail? What if nobody believes in you? What if everything goes wrong? But faith speaks softly. It says, God is still with you. Keep walking. Courage is not the absence of fear. Courage is taking the next step while holding God's hand. Even if the road looks unclear, God can give light for the next step. And sometimes, that is all you need. Lesson 4. Surrender what you cannot control. One of the greatest causes of stress is trying to control everything. We want every person to stay. We want every door to open. We want every situation to go exactly as planned. But peace begins when we stop fighting God's will. Surrender does not mean giving up. It means giving your worries to the one who is stronger than you. Say, God, I will work hard, but I leave the results in your hands. That prayer removes a heavy weight from the heart. Lesson 5. Find purpose. In every season, life is not always easy. There will be seasons of waiting, seasons of loss, and seasons of confusion. During those moments, it is easy to believe that God has forgotten you. But many of the strongest people were built in their hardest seasons. Pain can teach patience. Waiting can build character. Rejection can lead you toward the right direction. Never judge your whole life by one difficult chapter. God may still be writing your story. Lesson 6. Protect your heart. Not every battle is physical. Some battles happen inside the mind. Negative thoughts, jealousy, pride, anger, and fear can slowly steal your joy. That is why you should pray every day for protection. God, protect my heart from bitterness. Protect my mind from fear. Protect my life from wrong decisions. Keep me close to you. A protected heart is more valuable than a perfect life. Lesson 7. Gratitude creates peace. We often notice what is missing but forget what is already beautiful. Thank God for the air you breathe. Thank Him for your family. Thank Him for food, health, strength, and another chance to grow. Gratitude does not change every situation immediately, but it changes the way you see your situation. A thankful heart finds joy, even in small blessings. Lesson 8. Let your success stay humble. There is nothing wrong with becoming successful. Work hard, learn new skills, build your future, chase your dreams, but never let success replace God. Money can build a house, but only God can fill a home with peace. Fame can bring attention, but it cannot give lasting joy. Stay humble in victory and stay faithful in difficulty. That is the heart of a person who puts God first. Lesson 9. Talk to God every day. Prayer is not a performance, it is a conversation. You do not need fancy words. You do not need a perfect voice. Just speak honestly. God, I am tired. God, I need wisdom. God, thank you for loving me. Sometimes a short prayer, spoken with a sincere heart, is more powerful than many beautiful sentences. The more you talk to God, the more your heart learns to trust Him. Lesson 10. A life with God is never empty. Life is short. One day, success will fade. Money will stay behind. People's opinions will disappear. But your relationship with God will always matter. Choose kindness over pride. Choose forgiveness over hatred. Choose faith over fear. Choose prayer over panic. When God is first, problems do not disappear, but they no longer control your heart. You may bend, but you will not break. You may cry, but you will rise again, because God gives strength to every heart that trusts Him. Closing. Before we end this video, take a quiet moment and repeat these words in your heart. God, I choose you first. Before my fear, I choose you. Before my plans, I choose you. Before my success, I choose you. Before everything else, I choose you. Lesson 11. Choose peace. Instead of worry, every day gives us a choice. We can fill our mind with worry, or we can fill our heart with God. Worry cannot change tomorrow. It cannot add peace to your life. It only steals the joy of today. When your mind starts imagining the worst, pause for a moment and pray. God, I place every fear into your hands. Help me trust you more than my anxiety. Peace is not found by controlling everything. Peace is found by trusting the one who controls everything. Sometimes the greatest miracle is not a changed situation. Sometimes the greatest miracle is a changed heart that remains calm in the middle of the storm. Lesson 12. Forgive and move forward. One of the heaviest burdens a person can carry is unforgiveness. People may hurt you, they may disappoint you, they may leave without an explanation. Holding anger inside your heart does not punish them, it only steals your own peace. Forgiveness does not mean saying that the pain was acceptable. It means choosing freedom instead of bitterness. Ask God to heal the wounds that nobody else can see. Ask Him to replace hurt with compassion and hatred with peace. A heart that forgives becomes lighter, stronger, and closer to God. Final encouragement. As you continue your journey, remember this simple truth. Put God first when life is beautiful. Put God first when life is difficult. Put God first when you win. Put God first when you lose. Let every morning begin with gratitude. Every decision begin with prayer. and every night end with trust. Because a life led by God is not a perfect life. It is a peaceful life. May God bless you, guide you, protect you, and fill your heart with unshakable peace. Put God first and let your faith lead the way. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed, stay peaceful, and always remember, who'd gone first?